Hey, dear friend, something crazy happened to me today, and I had to get on and tell you about it. I went in my bank account this morning, $1,400 gone. My heart dropped. My blood pressure probably went up. Baby, come to find out, the insurance company had not taken a payment out and decided to take all of the payments out at once. I hadn't even noticed that the insurance payment hadn't come out because guess what? It's on recurring payment. So they decided today to take all of it out. Praise be to God, I was able to go to another account and transfer that money in. But here's the deal. That is why I am here, trying to teach you how to create digital products and pair that with the community to make monthly recurring income. Have you ever felt like, oh my God, a lot of houses aren't selling this month. What am I going to do? For the last 6 months, as a matter of fact. Oh boy, I only have 2 clients left. I need more clients in order to continue. Oh man, not enough money coming in. I need to do something. This is the answer. This is the answer. And I'm showing you on this channel exactly how to do it. Step by step. Go on and subscribe to this channel. Like my videos and share it with other people that may be interested because I'm giving you all the juice step by step. All right. Now check this other part out where I break down exactly how to do this and who it's for so that you'll see yourself in this and be able to do it. All right. God bless. I know I've been telling you, pick a niche, do this, do that. There's money. Everybody has a skill. Everybody. You've lived life. And listen, you don't have to be the absolute guru. That word guru, baby, I don't really know if people are really, really gurus anymore. You just have to know more than the next person in order to teach somebody that's 1 or 2 levels under you. In order to start a community and begin making money, here's what I want you to do. I want you to focus on these 4 P's. P number 1, proficiency. What skill are you proficient at? What are your skill sets? Do you know how to write? Do you know how to market? Have you survived diabetes and you know how to live and thrive with it? Are you paraplegic? Have you survived cancer? Have you raised kids? Do you clean up your house? Do you know how to organize? These are all skills. You see how that array of skills is not just talking about what you've been educated on formally. You see, some people need basic skills, etiquette. That's number 1. What are you proficient at? I really want you to think about your proficiencies and what you are good at because that can make you money. Okay. Number 2, what are you passionate about? You see, when it comes to creating a community and anything that you do, you will not stick to it if it's not something that you are passionate about. So you have to marry these 4 P's. You have to marry what your skills are, your proficiency, with your passion. Then you have to make sure that whatever your proficiency is and your passion is, that there are people who are willing and want to learn more about it, right? That's the people. Proficiency, passion, people. Where is there a struggle? Where are people looking to learn something new? Okay? And you can find out whether people are interested in this topic by going and search some Facebook groups. Look on YouTube and see if other people are talking about it. Look for blogs. These are great indicators to let you know that something is, other people are looking for this information. They want to know about it. And it's something that you can talk about because listen, ain't nobody you. Nobody has the voice that you have to give information. Nobody has experienced the things that you've experienced and can relay it the way that you do. Okay? So we have proficiency, passion, people. And with that people, you can also call that the problem, right? So what is the problem that you'll solve? Because you got to be solving a problem. People pay to solve problems. Okay? And it doesn't have to be, you know what? It doesn't have, all problems aren't bad problems. Some problems are good problems, right? It can be a desire, a struggle, a need, or a real doggone real life crisis type problem. But let's not forget, it could just be something they want, like, desire. For you, sometimes that's a problem. For me, if I want to learn something and I don't know it, that becomes my problem. And it's a problem that I have to solve. Okay? So you have proficiency, passion, the problem that you solve for people, and then the profit. Those are the 4 P's. So here's the way that you look at the profit. I'm going to take the diabetes example, right? If you are a diabetic and you have survived diabetes skillfully, and you understand how to help other people or coach other people in surviving diabetes, you can start a group around it. A diabetes support group, a diabetes coaching group. Now, from the profit standpoint, who else is talking about this? Who else is offering support? How much are they charging? Are diabetes coaches, is that even a thing? Are there books on the topic? You see where I'm going with this? You have to see if there is a way that you can profit from doing that. So you have those 4 P's. I keep saying this because I want you to get it. What are your skills? Your proficiency. What are you passionate about? Because you'll keep doing it if you're passionate. What is the problem that you can solve, or what you can teach people if they desire something? What is that thing? And everybody has that thing. You don't have to go back to school for it. You don't have to wait. It's something that is inside of your spirit right now. Maybe you want to get a little better at it, but you ain't got to wait to do it. You have enough information to create a full-time living doing what you love. How do you make a full-time living doing what you love? That's what I'm going to talk about in the next video. I'm going to show you how to create a living. I'm talking about not just no little bitty living, not no $2,000 a month, $3,000. I'm talking about a 10 to 12 to 20 to $1 million a month living doing what you love to do. But it starts here. It starts with the 4 P's. That is the foundation, okay? So click that button. I want you to look at the next video. And remember, listen, I live in Houston, Texas. I'm a realtor. I do all kinds of stuff. I love giving. I love helping people. If you know anybody who's moving to Houston, let them know I'm your girl. This is LaTanya. So make sure that you like this video, share it with everybody, because everybody wants to know how to make money doing something that they love to do, that they don't have to go back to school doing, and they ain't got to spend a dime in order to figure out and start like yesterday. Like, seriously. And I'm going to show you that in the next video. So click that link below. And I'll see you in the next video. God bless.